Everyone! Have you ever studied English grammar and vocab but still felt nervous when someone asks you a simple question like, "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?" Many learners know the words, but they don't know how to answer naturally. In today's lesson, I'll teach you how to respond to some of the most common real-life English questions. These are perfect for talking with friends, teachers, colleagues, or even strangers. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Just listen, repeat after me, and practice regularly. Let's get started. First question, how are you? This is probably the most common greeting. When someone asks, how are you, they usually just want a short, friendly reply. Try these. I'm fine, thanks. I'm doing well, pretty good, or not bad. Remember, they don't expect your life story. Just say something like, I'm doing well, thank you. Next, what's your name? Simple answers. My name is Tamim. I'm Tamim. Or you can call me Tamim. Question 3. Where are you from? You can say, I'm from Australia. I'm from Sydney. Or I was born and raised in Australia. Question 4. What do you do? This question is about your job or studies, not what you're doing right now. Say, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, or I work at a bank. Question 5. What are you doing? This one is about your current activity. You can answer, I'm studying, I'm reading a book, or I'm learning English. Question 6. What time is it? Easy replies. It's 6 o'clock, it's 6:30, it's 7:45. If you don't know, just say, let me check my phone. Last one. What are your hobbies? Try, I enjoy reading books, I like learning English, I enjoy traveling, or I like creating content. Now, let's put it all together. Imagine meeting someone for the first time. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. What's your name? My name is Tamim. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. What do you do? I'm a student. What are your hobbies? I enjoy reading books and learning English. Before we finish, I want you to pause after each question and answer out loud. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are you doing right now? What are your hobbies? What time is it? Every time you practice these, your confidence will grow. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep speaking,